the moments to live for. Woo!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace Wakasa. Please ensure you subscribe if you haven't. On today's video, we are on a trip, and where I am is a place called Nyumba ya Mungu. Nyumba ya Mungu is a sacred place where the first people who came to Muhuru Bay believed that God existed in this place, and so they came to worship here. And to date, there are people who still come here to pray. Groups of religious groups come to pray here. They fast, and then they come and break the fast in this place. There are also altars that are visible in this area when you come to visit. For example, from here, we have some burnt candles, different colors. We have color red, color blue. They have significant meanings to those who believe that God exists in this place. And also, this is an altar that they have created where they render their prayers, and they believe that God exists in this place. And so when they pray, God hears them. Don't forget that at the end of the video, we'll be visiting Migingo Island, and you wouldn't want to miss it. So stay with me till the end. There's a group of the people that I traveled with. We are eco-travelers traveling with the purpose of making a difference in the environment. Make sure to check us out on Facebook at Eco-Travelers and on TikTok. Yeah, so that you may get to travel with us the next time. Here are some beautiful photos that we took at Nyumba ya Mungu. It is a cave. We went inside the caves and we had to experience some beautiful photos. So from Nyumba ya Mungu, we went to view sunset. Oh my God, at Senye Beach. And the view was epic. Jeez! The view was... I screamed my lungs out while watching this sunset, and just look at the photos. Oh my goodness. This is the beach where we'll be traveling from as we head to Migingo Island. Have you seen the photos? Oh my God, I'm so in love. If you want to see most of the photos, check me out on Facebook at Grace Wakasa. I posted some of them there. You're going to love them, I promise. Are you seeing? This was the evening before we set up our tents, before we started before we erected our tents to sleep, and the night was nighting. Oh my goodness. Because, I mean, look at what we came up with after setting up the tents. Beautiful, right? And as if that was not enough, we proceeded with a bonfire. I know the video is a bit fast, but yo, we went and set up the bonfire. As you can see, the night was beautiful. Those are the lights of the inside the lake of the fishermen fishing at night. And it was a beautiful night. It was a beautiful night. Camping by the beach side, just feeling the waves and everything, the lake. Oh my goodness, it was nice. It was nice. It was nice. And then our host made us a very interesting meal: ugali, omena, and sukuma wiki by the beach, by the lakeside. We're there having our bonfire, having our dinner, and just watching the lake and enjoying the sound of the waves at night. And I had an experience of bathing. Yes, bathing kwa lake at night. The water was warm. It was warm and it was nice. It was a very beautiful experience because I have never done it before. I have never had such an experience, and it was epic. Yeah, the water was warm and it was interesting, and then we had some dances in the night. Yeah, it was nice. It was really, really nice. This was after very many people had gone to sleep because they were tired. But you see us here, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of us.
Hey, good morning. Good morning. Watu walishaamka, ndio mimi naamka from my beautiful tent. Then wapetua. Mnaona house tour, ndio hiyo house tour. Good morning. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I wouldn't choose any other life or any other place to wake up from. Damn. Oh my. Nirudi kwa nyumbani nilale kidogo. It's too early. This is my house, guys. This is my house. Yo, after waking up, it was finally time to go to Migingo Island. This is us on a boat. A motorboat crossing over to Migingo Island. If you're hearing this one for the first time, but I hope you're not, Migingo Island is one of the interesting places to visit. Very interesting places to visit.
You saw how we went camping, how we stayed in the tent.
epic. Miliona sunset. Kama mtaenda kinyumba kidogo window for days of videos, the sunset, na saizi I am having the moment of my life kwa sababu nilipanda boti kitambo nikiwa primary and here I am again. Tunaenda Migingo Island, tunapita by the lake. See you on that other side, but in the meanwhile, enjoy the view and let's go together to a beautiful adventure. It's been over an hour, bado tuko kwa boat heading to Migingo Island. Ninakani kama hatufiki, tumeshaka kwa boat for an hour now, but let's enjoy the ride and the view. See you. Gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, here comes Migingo, the famous Migingo Island, the famous Migingo Island. Joile pale, tunakaribia. You have to dock. Yes, by the boat in a dock, to dock. Halafu to have fun, finally.
Migingo Island. This is the most densely populated island in the world, arguably. I don't know much, but that is what the statistics say. If you are hearing Migingo Island for the first time, it sits on a 2,000 square meter land on Lake Victoria, and it has always been inakuwa inapiganiwa between Kenya and Uganda. And when we visited, we were told a lot of stories, and that the people who live in Migingo Island are both from Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania. But the island is mostly fought over by Kenyans and Ugandans. So where we stopped at first a few minutes ago, we were at the Kenyan police. We stopped there to report that we are tourists visiting Migingo Island to just see, to have an experience of it. Okay, so then we arrived at Migingo Island. The place is rocky. As you can see, it is rocky. There is no sand, there is nothing. It is rocky, and they have built these houses using iron sheets here on the island, and this is how it looks. Here we were going now to visit the Ugandan police to report that we had arrived, because if you get there to the Ugandan police, they ask you, have you passed by the Kenyans? Have they granted you permission to be here? Yes. And so what are you here for? Visiting. And then you sign up their book and you give them the reasons for your visit, and then yeah, that's it. Yeah, that has been it about Migingo Island. It is just as small as you have seen it, and it was a nice experience. It was very beautiful to step on that land, to get to hear, to see the people, to meet them, to talk to them. By there are everything that you might need there. We have a bar, there is hair salon, there is pharmacy. It is just a typical, it's just like a small estate, let me say so. Yeah. That is it about Migingo Island. It is the boss. I don't know why they fight over that land, but we were told that it is because they have a lot of fish. A lot of fish was kusanyika hapo kwa Migingo Island. That's why they fight over them. So this was us going back to the mainland, and then these courageous Kenyans decided to swim in the middle of the lake. They decided to showcase, this is our driver, mtu mwenye alikuwa anatuendesha ameingia kwa maji, having the moment of his life, na ametuachanisha hapo ndani, sisi tujitegemee. Look at them enjoying. I wish I knew how to swim. I could have tried this one too. It looked interesting. But in the middle of the lake, in the middle, not me Wakasa, not me. Hata ningejua ku swim.
Tumetoka wapi?
But they looked like they had fun. Yep.
Kufanya nini?
Tumetoka kuona the island yenye Kenya, Uganda na Tanzania wanapigania.
Tanzania inapigania kweli?
No, Kenya na Uganda. Lakini si huyo polisi wa Uganda alisema ati wote watatu kwenye bado polisi wa Tanzania wajaenda hapo.
Lakini alisema hizo nchi tatu ndio zinaishi hapo. Lakini yale nchi ambayo yanapigania ni Kenya na Uganda. Kwa hivyo mlienda tu kusalimia mapolisi wa Kenya na Uganda.
Si tulienda kuona the island.
Umekula nini huko?
Ugali na fulu.
Fulu. Ile kubwa hivyo ni fulu ama ni samaki ndogo?
Lakini samaki ndogo ni fulu, lakini kaina dunga.
Ati wa Tanzania wanaita furu.
Wanaita furu fry na boili.
Inakaa lia.
Na ugali ya miogo yenye imekuwa fermented.
Si mko healthy.
Very healthy.
Ona mashavu.
Alafu tukakunywa maji fresh ya lake yake. Very healthy creature.
Ona mashavu.
And yo, that has been our tour of Migingo Island. Okay, it was short, I know, but next time I'll make it longer. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. There are some of the photos that we took on the trip with the Eco Travelers. Give us a follow on Facebook. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. I love you.